Now, in this video, we will going to take up one more problem on projections of lines. How to solve this problem by using the solid software. The problem reads as a line has one end 30 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. And the other end is 15 mm in front of VP and is above HP. The length of the line is 60 mm. Top view of the line is 40 mm long. Draw the two views of the line and obtain the inclination of the line with HP and VP. So this is the problem which is given to you. How to solve this problem by using the solid software. First we'll go for the solid screen. This is the home screen wherein you have the sheet which is the default sheet which is already set for A2 size. Now I want to take the new sheet which is for A4. So I will just right click on sheet 1, come down to sheet setup. So we have a background sheet which is set for A2 size. So you make it A4 size. Show background, I don't want to show the background. I will say OK. Now the sheet has been changed from A2 to A4. Now I need to set the sheet to the display. So I will just go to fit. So it will go into fits. The display is set for A4 size. Now I need to write the text, that is the question. A line has one end. So to write the text, I will go for a text command. So I will come down to take the font as Times New Roman and the font size what I want is 4. Enter. Then I take the cursor somewhere here. A line, capital A line has one end, 30 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. And the other end is 15 mm in front of VP and above HP. Length of the line is 60 mm, comma, top view of the line is 40 mm long. Draw the two views of the line and obtain the inclination. Of the line with HP. So now right click it, then you just go to move command, go to sketching, click on move, select on this text box, then take some arbitrary point and keep this line problem here at the top of the card. Now first I need to go for the IntelliSketch setting. So here we have IntelliSketch wherein you enable endpoint, you take intersection point and horizontal vertical. All other options you switch off, that is disable it. Now I want to draw a line. First I need to draw the XY line. So I will take the length width as 0.05. This is the first setting what I need to do. Then I will take some arbitrary point on the sheet. Then you drag and write a horizontal line. Once you do that, now I want to mark it as XY and VP HP. So come down to the font size as 3 because that is the default size for A3 size or A2 size or A4 size. Put the caps lock on, type capital X and here it is capital Y and here it is VP. All are in capital letters. Then HP. Right click. Then he says a line has one end 30 mm in front of VP. So I will go to offset. Take 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP is seen in HP. So from the XY line, click on elements to offset. You click on the XY line right click and take the cursor down because in front of VP is seen in HP. So HP is below XY line. Take the cursor below XY line and click on the first button of the mouse and then right click. Then 15 mm above HP. So again, since you are in the offset command, you take 15, enter. Again, click on elements to offset, take the XY line, right click, click to place offset element. Above HP is seen in VP, so you take 15 mm above XY line and right click, click on the first button of the mouse and again you right click it. Now I want to draw one vertical projector so that I will go to get the point A and A dash. Trim corner between these two. Now I need to mention those points here. So I will say A dash here and I will mark this point as A, and of course you have capital A in this, and here also you will going to have capital A. So once you do that, now I want to go for other end is 15 mm in front of VP. So you just go to offset, take 15 mm in front of VP, it is already there. So take the XY line, right click, in front of VP is seen in HP, so where is HP? HP is below XY line. You just right click on, click on the first button of the mouse and again you right click it. So this will going to be the locus of B in the top view. So we have the locus, so he has given the true length of the line and also the top view line. So go to R command, by center point, take the endpoint of this, what is the radius? I want 60 and the sweep angle is 10 degrees. So you take the cursor here and click on that locus of B. Similarly, I want to have the R command and take the distance as 40, radius as, So go to R command, by center point, you take endpoint of this. So what is the radius? Radius is 40 and the sweep angle is 10 degrees. So again take the cursor here and click on the locus line. So now we have both the top view and also the true length of the top view. So go to line, I will take intersection of this to end of this. So I will go to take intersection of these two and then end of this. Now we have, go to move, you select this and you move it inside. So here you take this here. Now here, what is that point? I will call this point as B, small b, and this is B1. So you have a capital B and here you have locus of B. Okay, then go to move, take B above this line and then B1 above this and B, okay, then you will have the locus of B. So once you do that, now we have the actual drawing whatever we have done now. Then I need to find the true and up, draw the two lines of the line, draw the two views of the line and obtain the inclination of the line with HP and VP. Since he has given only the inclination of the line with HP and VP, normally it is only for the true inclination with respect to both HP and VP. But even if you find the apparent inclination with respect to HP and VP also in addition to that, then it is also fine. So now once you have the top view, the front view point of this B dash should lie on this line. So I will go for a line command, take the endpoint of this and draw a vertical projector to the front view. So to obtain the front view, so now we have the true length in the top view. The true length in the top view means what? It should be parallel to XY line in the front view. So where is AB1 is the top view of the true length. So corresponding front view will be A dash and B1 dash. A dash is already here. So you can see here we have A dash. I will show you this. Go to move, select this and move it inside. Okay, so this is A dash. So B1 dash should also be above HP by the same distance as that of A dash. A dash is above HP by 15. So B1 dash should also be above HP by 15. then only the line is going to become parallel to xy in the front view. If the line is parallel to xy line in the front view, then obviously in the top view this will going to be the true line. In other words, he has given the true line. So since this is the line which is in true length, obviously that line in the corresponding view, that is the front view, that is a dash b1 dash, should be parallel to xy. So I will go for a line command, draw a line from end of this and draw a vertical line. So now we have the trim corner between these two. Now what I need to do, I need to go for this front view line which is b1 dash. Okay, then go to move this point till here. But actually this front view point of B will not going to lie on this. Instead, the front view point of B1 dash will going to lie on this vertical projector, because the top view point of B will be on this line. So I will go for an OR command, take the end point of this and this end point. So here this cursor will go to cut this at this end projector. So go to trim corner between these two, then go to line, draw a line from end point to this end point and draw a horizontal projector. So now what happens? So you have B dash. Now I want to create one more line which is at some distance, so that I can extend that locus line in the front view. So now we have this line. So now what is that point? That point will going to be B dash. So now you take this and here go to text and type B dash. Then go to move this somewhere outside. Now once you get the front view line, I want to get the front view true line. If you want to get the front view true line, what should I do now? I should make the line, top view line parallel to xy. Which is the top view line? EB. You make that parallel to xy. How? Take trim corner between this line and this line. Then this will going to be B2. So you mark this point as B2. Now we go for move command, move this nearer to this. Similarly B somewhere here. Now I don't want this extra line here. I will go to split this line till here, and you also split this line till here. Then you go to select and you select this and delete, and you select this and delete. So now once you get B2, I need to project this to the locus of B in the front view. So you take this line till here and then go to trim this line till here, and then go to line, take end point of this to end point of this. So now we have this will going to be B2 dash. So go to fit, split, select this line till here and go to delete this line. So now here I want the text to be written for B2 dash. So B2 dash. Then I will going to have a capital B, and now we have locus of B. Okay, then go to fit, then go to fit, then go to zoom window. Now you take B2 dash, go to move B2 dash here, and of course B dash this side, go to capital B, move that, then you take locus of B and keep it. Then go to split this line till here. Okay, split this xy line till here. Then you take xy line and split this here. Go to select and delete it. You select this and delete. You select this and delete. Now we have fit. Then go to zoom window. Okay. Then go to move. Take vertical plane here and then the horizontal plane here. Then go to X. And here you take this Y here. Okay. Now all other points we have shown. Now we need to change the locus lines. So this one and this one you take. Make this as dash dot line. Then you select the front view and also the top view and make it 0.5. Then you take true length, this line and this line. Okay, make it 0.35 true length. So you take this XY line and you mark this as 0.13 and all other projector lines will going to be of 0.05. Now I want to go for the dimensions. To do that, first I should go to dimensioning variable, click on ISO mm, click on modify, come down to general. You make all these things as black color because I am taking the printout in black and white. Then go to text. In the text you take Times New Roman and then the font size is 3. And go to lines and coordinates, make this 0.1 and say OK and say apply. Now we go for distance between this line and this line, so you are going to get 15. Similarly, distance between these two, which is 30. Similarly, the distance between these two, which is 15, and it is above HP, that we will see. Now we have a distance between this line and here you are going to get 40, that is the top view. Then you have distance between this line and this, you have the distance between this and this, so you are going to get 60 mm. So once you get this, now I need to do the directions of projections. So to do that, I'll go to leader. So here I'll take point or element and remove endpoint and intersection. So what I'm doing now, so I will go to project this line first. Then I will go to project this here. Then I will project this here. This is for the first case. Then when you come down to this, you come down to zoom window. Now you go to leader, select this and draw it in the downward direction. And then go to fit. Then you go to leader, select this and draw a vertical. So this is how you will be able to write the drawing by using the Solid software, and then obtain the inclination with respect to HP and VP. So if you want to do that, so we will go for the dimensioning variable and I will go to click on modify, come down to units. So here the angular dimension is 1, so it is rounded up to 0.12 decimal point. I will say OK and say apply now. Now we show the dimensions. You just go to angle between this line and this line. You will get 48.1 degree, 19. You take between these two, that is alpha. This is theta. Then you take between these two, which is beta. And you take between these two, which is going to be phi. Okay. Now I need to check this. So to check this, you come down to this bottom screen. First is alpha is 50.34, which is alpha. Alpha is this 50.34. Then theta is 48.19. 48.19. Then you have phi, which is 14.48, yes, and then this one will be 22.02, so 22.02. So all the dimensions are as per the drawn sketch, and of course the accuracy of the drawing is up to second decimal point. Now I don't want to have the display here. I will just go to select this and make this blank. Similarly, I will select this, I will go to make this blank, then I will select this and you make this as blank, and now you select this and you make this as blank. So now once you do that, I wanted to move this a bit inside, or just go to select, you will select this and of course, okay, it's not there, it's not moving, okay, fine. Now you go for the text, here type symbol. So here this is beta, small letter b, sorry, symbol, caps lock of small letter b, and this is phi small letter f, and now in this case it is theta small letter q, and this is alpha small letter a. So one should do that. Now we have the move command. Take theta and place it here, and you take alpha and place it here, then you take phi, of course remove point on element. So you go to move, select this, move it inside, and you select this, you take beta. Okay. So now I need to type the values. So to do that, 50.34 is the first case. So go to text, okay, come down to Times New Roman, then here you type 50.34, and by holding the Alt key, press 0176, remove the Alt key. So then 48.19, come down to the next one, 48.19, by holding the Alt key, type 0176 and remove the Alt key. Then you have 14.48, come down to this 14.48, by holding the Alt key 0176, then 22.02, by holding the Alt key, type 0176 degrees. Now once you do that, you go to move and place it here, then here, similarly here, and finally this line. Now 50.34 is alpha, so you go to copy, select this, and you copy this here, alpha. Then 48.19 becomes theta. Then you have phi, then you have beta. Once you do that, then go to zoom window and go to line command, draw a vertical line, then I want to draw a horizontal line, then vertical, then go to trim corner between these two, then go to move, enable copy, select this, click somewhere. So I don't want to have the display along displacement along the y-axis, so make it 0. So you got this, then right click. Now you go to move command, select this line, right click or click from here. So what is the displacement? I should not have the displacement along x-axis. I will take it 0. So here this is the 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. Then go to it, and here you type it as the answer. So to do that, you just go to text and you start typing the answers. Okay, then go to move, disable copy, place it wherever you want. So this is how you will be able to draw the drawing by using the solid software, and the angles what you have specified here, the same thing will going to be there here also. So the accuracy they are drawing is up to the second decimal point, and also you can see what is the takeaway from here. The takeaway from here is the both B dash and B will go to lie on the same line. This is point number 1. You know this is different view because its corresponding top view is inclined. You know that this is the front view true length because its corresponding top view is parallel to XY, that is A dash B2 dash is the true length in vertical plane, so it should be parallel to HP, so AB2 is parallel to HP. Similarly, you know this is the top view, that is AB, because its front view line is inclined, and you know that this is the true length in HP, that is in the top view, because its front view is parallel, that is A dash B1 dash. So this is how you will be able to write the drawing by using the SolidWorks software. Thank you.